Wales is a vibrant country of 3 million people. In this video, we'll explore this remarkable nation's rich history and unique identity. From iconic symbols to breathtaking landscapes, get ready for an unforgettable journey through the wonders of Wales. 1. The Red Dragon. Wales is best known for the iconic red dragon featured on its flag, a symbol of strength and resistance against English rule. 2. Daffodils. Introduced by Prime Minister David Lloyd George, the daffodil is a cherished symbol of Wales, blooming just in time for St. David's Day. 3. Leeks. Although the reason is unclear, leeks are a long-standing emblem of Wales, with origins ranging from medicinal use to battle superstitions. 4. Rugby. While Wales doesn't have an official national sport, rugby is undeniably its most beloved, with a successful national team and passionate following. Welsh national team has a rich history of success in international competitions, making rugby an integral part of Welsh culture. 5. Welsh lady costume. The traditional Welsh lady costume, adorned with a unique hat, is still worn on special occasions and royal visits. 6. Sheep. Wales boasts a staggering number of sheep, with approximately 3 sheep for every person, the highest density in Europe. 7. Welsh cakes. A scrumptious delight, Welsh cakes have been popular since the 19th century, made with flour, butter, eggs, currants, and a dash of spices. 8. Mount Snowdon. The largest and most recognizable mountain in Wales, Snowdon offers breathtaking views and can be reached via the Snowdon Mountain Railway. 9. The Royal Welsh Show. An annual festival attracting over 200,000 visitors, featuring sheepdog trials, horse riding competitions, live music, and falconry. 10. Bara Brith bread. This traditional fruit bread is a Welsh favorite, enriched with dried fruit, spices, and tea for a delightful flavor. 11. Love spoons. A symbol of love, these intricately carved wooden spoons were traditionally given by Wales men to their sweethearts. 12. Castles. Wales boasts more castles per square mile than any other country, a testament to its medieval history and struggles with the English. So Wales called the Land of Castles. With over 600 castles, including the iconic Carnarvon and Conwy castles. 13. Wales, most beautiful waterfall country. From the rugged peaks of Snowdonia to the lush valleys of Brecon Beacons National Park, Wales offers a paradise for nature lovers and hikers alike. The Brecon Beacons are home to mesmerizing waterfalls, rivers, and gorges, creating a stunning natural wonderland. 14. Portmeirion. This charming Italian-style village is a captivating tourist attraction with colorful buildings and picturesque gardens. Portmeirion, known for its vibrant colors and unique architecture, it served as the filming location for the iconic TV series, The Prisoner. 15. Welsh rarebit. Wales's national dish, Welsh rarebit, consists of creamy Welsh cheese served on thickly sliced toast, a culinary delight. 16. Beautiful beaches. Wales boasts stunning coastlines with beautiful beaches, perfect for relaxing, surfing, and exploring. From the Gower Peninsula to Pembrokeshire, these coastal areas offer diverse scenic spots. 17. Llewellyn the Great. One of the most renowned figure is Llewellyn the Great. He was a Welsh prince who played a vital role in uniting the country during the medieval period. 18. St. David's Day. St. David's Day, celebrated on March 1st, is the national day of Wales. It commemorates the death of St. David, the patron saint of Wales, and is marked with parades, concerts, and traditional Welsh attire. 19. Music and Eisteddfod festivals. Wales has a thriving music scene, known for its talented singers and choirs. This country hosts Eisteddfod festivals first week of every year, celebrating Welsh arts and culture, including poetry, music, and performance. 20. Welsh language. Wales is famous for its distinctive Celtic language, Welsh. It is one of the oldest living languages in Europe and holds significant cultural importance. Wales is a country steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining.